How to set up auto reply on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Focus option and tap on it. To create a new Focus profile, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. From the list, select Driving. This prioritizes safety and focus on the road. Now, tap Customize Focus to configure its settings. On the Driving Focus Settings page, tap on the Auto Reply option. This opens a new screen where you can customize the auto reply behavior. Here, change the selected option from Favorites to All Contacts. Setting it to All Contacts ensures anyone in your contacts list will receive the reply. Next, under Auto Reply Message, tap into the text box and edit the default message to your preference. Now, going back, you can view the option of driving being added to the focus mode. Once the message is configured, the feature needs to be turned on. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Control Center. Tap on the Focus button and you may see Do Not Disturb or any other mode by default. From the list of available focus modes, simply tap on Driving. The driving focus is now active. As long as it is on, any contact who sends a text message will automatically receive the custom reply you created. Following these steps, you can easily set up auto replies on an iPhone.